Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Talie and I'm back with another video. So today I will be doing a 2 braided hairstyle. But before we get into the video, I just want to give a huge shout out to all my new subscribers. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And for my old subscribers, go and big up on yourself. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. Let's get into it. So I'm going to start off by flat twisting my hair inwards all the way through to the end, and then I'm going to use a rubber band to secure, just the way you see me doing.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't want to waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't want to waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Then I'm going to place the crochet needle across and insert my braided hair just the way you see me doing, and I'm going to insert 4 strands of braided hair across, and I'm going to do the same thing vertically. Now it's time to start the braiding process, and as you can see, I did my 1-2 crossover, and then I'm going to add some braids or feed in some braids just to add volume and length.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
Now this strand of braid that you see me using my got to be spray on, this is to add it to the base of the hair just to give it a finished look.
To see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the
Now we're going to repeat the same procedure on the other side. So what I really love about this style is that anybody can wear it, in the sense where it's very tension free. So if you have sensitive scalp where you can't take the bag of tightness by your scalp, of course you can rock this style. Even your grandmother can rock this style. You can rock this style to any little occasion. This is a go-to hairstyle. I really find this hairstyle fascinating. My scalp is very free from tension. Oh my god, I love this style. Now we've come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Until next time, bye!